Okay, hello everyone. My name is Engineer Solis. So I'm just gonna give a quick tutorial on state space analysis. So this is under the control systems engineering, no? Okay. So to do state space analysis, we have three steps to follow. The first one is to convert the equation to its state space form. Okay. Second is to do stability analysis based on the coefficients of the variables, no, doon sa state space form, or the coefficient matrix. And then the last step would be to do controllability and observability test. So to see whether the system is controllable and observable or none, no? Okay. So let's begin with step 1. So the system that we have is a linear system. As you can see, it's y double prime plus y prime plus y equals 0. Okay? So let us just rewrite. Wait lang. The equation here. So bear with me, I'm just recording on my phone right now. So later ipapakita ko naman sa inyo yung step by step once na natapos na natin to. But anyway, let's rewrite the equation. So the problem is y double prime plus y prime plus y equals 0. No. So let us do step 1 and convert this equation into its state space form. But how do we convert this system into its state space form? Okay, first we need to set x sub 1, or let x sub 1 be equal to y. Okay, so this is the preliminary step. Okay, x sub 1 equals y. So standard yan, no? So we want to express this in terms of x, no? X's, no? So we have x sub 1 equals y. The next thing is to set, okay, or get the derivative of x sub 1. The derivative of x sub 1, no, is equal to y prime. Obviously, kinuha natin yung derivative na x sub 1, then that makes y prime, no? Y prime, okay? So let's name this x sub 1 prime equals y prime x sub 2 naman. Okay, x sub 2. Oops, sorry. X sub 2. Yan. Okay? So for the meantime, let's just name it x sub 2. Okay? So, just bear in mind na ito yung kailangan natin express for later steps, no? Ito yung kailangan natin na expression for later steps. So, sundan nyo lang muna for the meantime. Let me just rewrite this one. Medyo magulo. X sub 1 prime equals y prime, and let that be equal to x sub 2. Okay? So, the next step is now to get x sub 2 prime. Kung ano ginawa natin dun sa una, gawin din natin sa x sub 2. So, x sub 2 prime equals, kunin natin yung derivative ni y prime, that would be y double prime. Diba? Tama? So, y prime, kunin natin derivative, magiging y double prime. And let this be equal to x sub 3 for the meantime. For the meantime, okay? X sub 3 equals x sub 2 prime equals y double prime. Okay, so ito na yung preliminary set of equations that we need to convert or to transform our equation into its state space form. Okay? So yan muna yung kailangan natin gawin. Okay. So the next thing that we have to do is to find x sub 1 prime and x sub 2 prime. Okay, so as you can see, meron tayong dalawang state variables, that's x sub 1 and x sub 2. Okay? For second order systems, okay, that corresponds to also two state variables, that's x sub 1 and x sub 2. Okay? So yung need natin hanapin is x sub 1 prime and x sub 2 prime. Okay? That's standard. So x sub 1 prime, meron na tayo, that is y prime, di ba? But then, sabi natin, i-convert natin to in terms of x. So, ayaw natin kay y prime. Anong gagamitin natin? Si x sub 2. Siya yung x. Okay, so that's x sub 2. Okay, so sinadya ko, naglagay talaga ako ng space dito for the meantime. So, may purpose yan. And, pa rin sa mamaya. Okay? So, okay na sa x sub 1 prime, may value na tayo. That's just x sub 2. Just leave it be, no? Let's proceed to finding x sub prime 2. Okay? So, kay x sub prime 2, I mean x sub 2 prime, baliktad, x sub 2 prime, no? That is equal to y double prime. But then, sabi natin ulit, need natin in terms of x. Merong x sub 3. But then, sabi natin kanina, dalawa lang yung state variables na kailangan natin. The state variable, no? The number of state variables for second order kasi y double prime. Second order systems ay dalawa lang. So, hindi tayo pwede gumamit ng x sub 3 kasi otherwise, magiging tatlo na yan. Magiging x sub 3 na yung pangatlo, no, na requirement. But, okay. Okay, but may way, no? Y double prime. So, balik tayo dito sa equation natin, y double prime plus y prime plus y equals 0. Okay? So, let us solve for y double prime na lang, no? So, y double prime, no? Equals. Okay? So, to find y double prime, no? So, yung equation dito sa taas, y double prime, or yung differential equation natin dito sa taas, which is y double prime plus y prime plus y equals 0, no? Kailangan na natin isolve si y double prime dito. Okay? And to do that, of course, that's just transposition. Ita-transpose natin si y sub 1, y prime and y sa kabila para maging negative y prime plus y. Okay? Okay. Next step is, no? Naka y prime and y pa rin siya, no? Sorry. Negative y prime minus y. So anyway, in terms of y pa rin siya, we need to convert it into its x form, no? And to do that, we just have to find what the value of y prime is and the value of y. And alam naman natin yun dahil may values na tayo for y and y prime. Y is x sub 1 sa taas, no? So that is negative x sub 1 kasi minus. And then negative y prime. Now, negative y prime natin is negative x sub 2. Eto. Yan, diba? Kasi yun yung y prime natin. So, ngayon, na-express na natin yung y double prime into its x form, which is negative x2 minus x sub 1. Ngayon, we have our values for x sub, or our value for x sub 2 prime. That is negative x sub 2 minus x sub 1. I-rearrange ko lang siya dito by putting negative x sub 1 first before the x sub 2. Please take note na wala akong binago sa sign dyan. Both pa rin ay minus, no? Okay. So, para saan yung space na iniwan ko dito? Okay. So, yung space na yan dyan ay para ilagay yung value ni x sub 1 for x sub 1 prime. So, ano nga ba yung value ni x sub 1 for x sub 1 prime? Or yung coefficient ni x sub 1, no? Dito sa x sub 1 prime. So, syempre, dahil wala naman, ilalagay lang natin 0. Okay? Plus x sub 2. And may purpose yan. Para mas madali natin makita ang kanyang matrix form, no? Para sa state space form niya mamaya. Okay? So, for the meantime, meron na tayong x sub 1 prime and x sub 2 prime. Okay? Yung kulang na lang natin is yung output expression. Okay? Our output is in terms, our output is y, no? Okay. Value ni y. So, nakuha na natin kanina yung value ni y. Ulit, that's just x sub 1. Kasi x sub 1 equals y nga yung nilagay natin doon. Okay. But then, para mas maayos lang tignan, no? Lagay na lang natin dito yung coefficient ni x sub 2, which is 0, no? 0. Kasi wala namang value si x sub 2 or coefficient si x sub 2 for y. Okay? So, meron na tayong expression or a set of equations for our state space form. Okay? So, the next thing to do is sulat na lang siya in terms of its matrix form. Okay? So, isusulat ko lang ulit dito. So, that's x sub 1 prime, x sub 2 prime, and y. So, x sub 1 prime natin is 0. Sige, sulat ko lang 0, x sub 1, plus, para mas madali tignan, yung coefficient ni x sub 2 is 1. Ayan. Kasi by default, naman din natin nilalagay yung 1. No? But, para mas madali tignan, lagay na lang natin. For this purpose lang. So, equals negative 1 x sub 1 minus 1 x sub 2. Again, yung mga 1 ay mga coefficient lang, no? Na hindi naman kailangan ilagay, but for the sake of mas madali sa tingnan, ilagay na natin. For y naman, that's 1 x sub 1 plus 0 x sub 2. Okay? So, in matrix form, that is, okay, lagay ko lang capital X prime for the matrix of x sub 1 prime, x sub 2 prime equals, ayan. So, dalawang matrices dito sa kabila, isang square matrix, 2 by 2 square matrix, and isang column vector. Column vector. Yan. So, for the coefficient, no? Coefficient matrix, and of course, yung isang variable matrix. So, i-fill up muna natin yung coefficient matrix. So, yun yung purpose ng paglagay natin ng coefficient dito para mas madali natin makita yung coefficient. So, for x sub 1 prime, that's 0 and 1. Yan. For x sub 2 prime naman, that's negative 1 and negative 1. Ayan. Nakuha ba? Okay. Negative 1. Yan. That's nice. And then for our variable matrix, malamang, x sub 1, x sub 2. Ayan. Column vector. X sub 1, x sub 2. So, ngayon meron na tayong matrix representation of x prime. Next is for the output. For the output, ayan, isang row vector multiplied by a column vector. That's y equals, ayan, no. Ayan. So, 1, 0. Tapos naman, sa column vector, x sub 1, x sub 2. Okay? So, this is the state space form of our system. Okay?